Introducing the Joe Chef Kitchen Torch, the ultimate culinary tool for precision cooking. With a refillable design and included butane, this torch is ready to elevate your kitchen creation straight out of the box. Whether you're caramelizing creme brulee or adding the perfect finishing touch to savory dishes, our torch delivers professional quality results with ease. So let's go. Introducing the Joe Chef Kitchen Torch, your ultimate companion for culinary perfection. This versatile tool comes complete with butane, ensuring you're ready to unleash your creativity in the kitchen right out of the box. Whether you're caramelizing the sugar atop a classic creme brulee or adding the perfect finishing touch to a savory dish, our refillable torch delivers precision and control with every use. Safety is paramount, which is why our torch features a convenient lock mechanism, providing peace of mind when not in use. The adjustable flame allows you to tailor the intensity to suit your cooking needs, whether you're lightly browning meringue or searing meats to perfection. Designed with the needs of culinary enthusiasts in mind, our torch is crafted for durability and reliability. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise handling during intricate culinary tasks. With Joe Chef, you can elevate your cooking to new heights and impress friends and family with your culinary prowess. Included with the torch are 2 cans of butane, ensuring you have more than enough fuel to ignite your culinary creativity. Refilling the torch is a breeze, thanks to the easy-to-use design, allowing you to focus on perfecting your dishes without interruption. Not just limited to creme brulee, our kitchen torch is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of culinary applications. From caramelizing sugars and glazing meats to roasting peppers and melting cheese, the possibilities are endless with the Joe Chef Kitchen Torch. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to take your dishes to the next level, our kitchen torch is a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Elevate your cooking experience and unleash your inner chef with the Joe Chef Kitchen Torch. It's time to ignite your passion for cooking and create unforgettable culinary masterpieces with ease and precision. Upgrade your culinary experience with the Joe Chef Kitchen Torch today. With its safety lock, adjustable flame, and refillable design, this torch offers unmatched versatility and convenience in the kitchen. Don't miss out on the opportunity to impress your guests and elevate your cooking to new heights. Invest in the Joe Chef Kitchen Torch and unlock endless culinary possibilities.